All right, so boom. AMP bought a Cadillac truck. Or did Fanum buy it? Since it said buying AMP Cadillac truck. Who knows? Let's find out.
What you said?
God did.
Niggas know what's going on. God did. God did.
Life is beautiful.
Oh, this my song. Hey, y'all ever seen that movie Dope? If you haven't, go watch it. Great movie. Great movie. Can't bring me down. Can't bring me down.
We got agent in the cut.
Wait,
Hold on. That's how it opens though. I can't show the plate though. Hold on. God did. I just had a Wendy's chicken Asiago with fries, bro. Like it was my
Yo, wait.
cheat day. You know what I'm saying? No more cheat weeks for me. Just a cheat day. Keep the front.
Wait. Yo, why did he get so passionate about the food he just ate? Like, my boy Fanum, man.
Keep the front.
Yo.
Keep the front. Just copped out. I Ubered to the dealership. Came back driving. What happened?
A 2-year plus sub to get people take you to prom in this.
If you been sub to MP for more than 2 years, what happens?
You get taken to prom with this.
Taking a prom in this mother.
Fan contest coming soon,
bro.
right?
What?
What if they're 15 or 21?
We got him.
What you mean by that?
Oh, the reason why all these niggas is outside because there's no internet right now. Look,
That's not true. Kai actually
Look,
said,
What
yo,
did you mean by that?
you never see all these niggas outside, bro. It's because there's no
That's not
internet.
true. That's not true. Kai literally told us to come outside.
Is there internet right there?
Yes.
Like, if there wasn't internet, how would they be watching YouTube?
Cause this shit got Wi-Fi, nigga. God damn. Yeah, this shit got Wi-Fi. What? Yeah, this the year. Damn. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, he's gonna have it until
Got a camera right
36.
there. So what year?
To 36.
Wait, so who 36?
Nah, till 2036.
Wait, so at 36?
You
How
gonna be
old?
40.
Wait, if I'm gonna be 40, how old you gonna be, Agent?
42.
Damn. How does you gonna be?
How old you gonna be?
44?
Damn!
Nah, hold on. Why they edited Chris like that?
Estamos hoy con Kai. Kai, ¿cómo te llamas?
Oh, hola.
Look at the sunset. Look, room over there, bed made. Let me show you how the sunset be looking over there. I ain't even gonna lie.
Golly,
Even
what
though
a
parking is
view.
BMIs, like
What a fucking
I don't know,
view.
like-
I ain't gonna fucking lie.
it's kind of worth. It's kind of worth it.
I need that. I need that one
I'm
day.
working on me. I'm working on. Give me time, gang. Peep the sunset though. Peep
Damn,
the.
that's
oh my
not. That's
God,
fucking
come on,
beautiful.
bro.
That's
one
fucking
thing. I
beautiful.
never cared
That's
about
hard
no
work.
trees and stuff like that, but bro, you gotta give it to God, bro. He showed out right there.
His car has internet, dog. Hey, you trying to watch the Chelsea highlights? Hell yeah.
Nah, Teams and Warriors.
Ah, shit, I ain't see that on my homepage.
How you feel? The A&P Mobile.
I just love when black people do shit.
I don't think I ever gave you those.
That truck is big as
A&P
fuck.
Mobile, man.
This shit's fat as shit. Big ass car. Let me see what you got. What we got?
We got hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
Side patch kids.
Okay.
Like, just in case.
Just in case the hooks.
No, we just need condoms now.
If we need smokers, yeah, we do. And we need some like lubricant and shit.
Look, we need a mini mouthwash.
No, we need a big one.
Bro, just get gum. Y'all niggas insane.
Gum.
Niggas talking about mouth.
No, we need Lysol wipe.
Now, I wouldn't disagree about the mouthwash if it was your personal car and nobody else was using it. Group car, yeah, y'all, it's a little bit wild, but mouthwash in your V, I feel like it couldn't hurt to have.
It's not spilling there, bro.
Nah, paper towel. Well, you Lysol wipes.
No, we need we need deodorant.
I ain't gonna lie, hold on. Deodorant in a group shared car is crazy too. I ain't gonna lie, that's wild. That's too far.
Oh shit! Hey, my bad too.
What's one thing that I should add to my car?
Car?
Yeah.
Like for a girl, like if a girl walk in, like what's something that she need?
Maybe like an air freshener.
Air
I
freshener.
told you, word to I told you. Thank you.
No, we need cups.
No, we don't.
Yeah, no, we do.
Nah, we do need cups though.
It's crazy.
Nah, overcup is crazy.
All right, wait.
Paper towels?
Yeah. Nah, we do.
No, this is,
Nah,
this
we
is,
do.
it's everything you touch, we buy, bro. So,
Put a pack of Bounty. Bounty only though, cause all the other brands ass.
Hold on, this one's cheaper.
Yeah,
No.
$13.99.
No.
y'all think y'all niggas use it?
Yeah,
You need road spray.
Road spray for the V?
Damn, bitch, alright.
Yeah, get a picture or something.
Oh, we good then. Oh. Wait, hide. All right, if you walk by, would you know he was there?
Yeah, you could. No.
No, would you? You wouldn't even think of like somebody back there. Yo, chill, bro. No, would you? I didn't even know that. Look at
I'm not gonna lie, like.
Nah, that's
this is
hold on,
like,
that's
how
deep
can
as fuck. What the fuck?
Say wow to the 3 yet.
you
Talk
gotta
about-
say wow.
That shit whack.
Say wow.
Bro, say I wasn't really feeling that wow. I wasn't really feeling
Oh well, can't bring me down. Can't bring me down. I might go watch that tonight.
Yeah, though. I ain't gonna lie, Cadillac. Y'all did y'all motherfucking dang with that shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Everybody spin God did, bro.
God
Spin
did.
bro, because that's what you gotta say thanks to. That's not like, it's just, bro. Come on, bro. Bro. And we about to get, let me not leak. Let me not leak. I'm not gonna leak. You know what I'm saying? That's, can't say nothing, chill. Can't say nothing, chill. Just like Asian, hold on. He said chill. No, would you? Chill.
Yo, what is going on with these edits?
Flex today's flavor.
Hookah.
Grapefruit with mint flavor.
What are you trying to make? They got tortilla chips. We got tortilla wraps with corn. No, black beans.
Yeah, what is
Raisin bread and corn. What is you making with this?
Okay, so basically,
What are you making with this?
what this does is it makes your semen thicker.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Okay, that's your number one.
Yo, bro,
I'm
what?
trying to say it's me, it's this nigga, bro.
Yo, what?
It's not me next week.
Yo,
Beans. We got tortilla wraps with corn. No, black beans.
Yeah, what is
Raisin bread and corn. What is you making with this?
Okay, so basically,
What are you making with this?
what this does is it makes your semen thicker.
Hey,
my nigga, what?
Okay, that's your number one. Yeah, you're number one. Y'all be trying to say it's me, it's this nigga, bro.
yo.
It's not me.
My boy said it makes your semen thicker.
Nah. How you felt about that though?
The Super Bowl they lost that shit had my heart in my stomach, bro.
Ah man, memories.
My boy be off the shits. I ain't gonna lie.
Holland. Look, God damn. Alright, so look, first of all, this is a new channel. It's called More Fanum. I just had an allergy appointment.
More
I'm on a
Fanum?
mission to clear this allergy shit, bro. I'm sick and tired of this. This channel, I'm just gonna show y'all a whole bunch of shit that y'all never see on either the main channel or streamer. Or the streaming channel. It's just behind the scenes shit. But I was talking with Kai. He said something that I thought of like years ago, but never knew when to do that. And if motherfuckers
The
decide
allergies
to
is kicking his
start
ass.
doing
Look at his
shit,
eyes.
you know what I'm saying? You most likely will see it on this type of channel. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm tired of making channels. I got like 5 channels now, right? Or 4. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro. Shout out to More Fanum, bro. More fucking Fanum, bro. It's literally called More Fanum.
God damn,
more
allergies
business.
beating his ass,
Y'all
bro.
not tired of me, gang? You not tired of me, gang? I hope you're not tired of me. Listen, subscribe to the channel. We got 0 subscribers on this channel. We coming for, first goal is 10,000 subs. We coming for 10,000 subs. That's the first goal. 10,000 subscribers, bro. But yeah,
I
bro,
think he
love y'all,
smashed that shit already.
You know what I'm saying? Eat good. Facts.
My boy said, "Eat good, eat good, yeah." But listen, I like to see these types of videos, man. I like to see the the extra shit, you know, the shit that you don't see every single day. But I appreciated that video from you, Fanum. If you ever see this, you probably will never see this. But listen, if y'all made it to the end of the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Suscríbete. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Fanum. That's not my boy, but you know what I mean. Support the black community. You know? Catch y'all in the next video, man.